Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it. Enter your login code. Please enter the 6-digit code from your code generator below. So if you just not receiving your login code, so how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just check your carrier. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find airplane mode. Just try to turn it on. Wait a few seconds and just turn off again, so it will restore your carrier. Here you can see it. And if it doesn't help you, you can also try another way. So just check if you disable VPN, because mostly it happens because you just enable VPN. So you just need to disconnect from all VPN apps and just close them. And if it doesn't help you to, just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And also you can try to update your Facebook. So just go to App Store, just tap on search tab, just write in search tab Facebook, and here you will see Facebook. Just tap on, if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and it will successfully download and install the latest updates on your Facebook app. So this is a way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.